Ma'am, ikaw higala pud ka ni Biti?
Yes, actually, I my friends Viti, and then I just wondering anong hitabo in the proper way, and I know him his dad. His dad is always kind to LGBT.
Pero inti mo nga kauban mo ni Biti sa salon?
Yes, no, actually, I'm not belong with that. I belong to Casteria Salon. So,
Pero managhigala mo ni Biti.
yes, we are.
Pila na mo katuig nga managila?
I think, 3 months.
3 months bago pa lang di ay.
Bago pa lang.
Pero unsa man si Betty sa imuhang pagkaila, ma'am?
Beauty is, actually, parang sometimes, mahabog siya, parang, occupying whatever. So, that is it.
Pero kagabi wala mo nag-uban
We
kagabi.
never. That's why I have to, somebody called me, then, Beauty is already died.
Condolence. Nay, imuha pong imuhang asawa si tatay.
Mahitabo. Gibiyaan ako ang akong trabaho kay imo ko nga dili ko di nga di
Ay.
ka adto.
Ay, sir, excuse me for a while. I'm only just drinking, nag-inom ko side, so, okay, I'm only drinking and then I to pass away and then, happened to my friend. So, thank you so much.
Sige.